Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 strategies to become wealthy while you sleep. There's no question that everyone wants to earn money while they sleep. And why wouldn't they? It would be amazing to make money without putting in any effort whatsoever. Unfortunately, the reality is that there's no such thing as easy money. If you want to achieve financial success, you will have to put in the work. But don't despair, with a little bit of determination, anyone can make their way to a wealthy life. There are a few key things to keep in mind if you want to make money while you sleep. Here are some of the strategies that you can do. First, live below your means. One of the most important things you can do for your financial well-being is live below your means. That doesn't mean you can have to deprive yourself of what you enjoy. Still, it means being mindful of your spending and ensuring that your lifestyle aligns with your values and goals. When you live below your means, you free up money that can be used to pay off debt, save for retirement, or invest in your future. It's a common misconception that you need to earn a lot of money to become wealthy. Wealth is more about how much money you save than how much you can make. People who live below their means can suck away a more significant percentage of their income, which gives them a head start on building wealth. Even if you're not earning a 6-figure salary, you can still become wealthy by spending less than you earn and investing the difference. While it may not be glamorous, living below your means is one of the most innovative things you can do for your financial future. Anyone who has ever tried to save money knows that it is not always easy. There are always temptations to spend, whether a new pair of shoes or a night out with friends. However, if you can resist the urge to spend and live below your means, you will be rewarded in the long run. The extra money you save can be put into savings or investments, which will grow over time. This is what's known as passive income. Money that you earn without working for it actively. And the best part is that it can continue to grow even while you sleep. So if you're looking to build up your wealth, living below your means is an excellent place to start. Second, start a business. Many people dream of owning their own business, but few ever lead. One of the biggest reasons people hesitate to start their own business is because they worry about the financial risks. However, many people don't realize that starting a business can be a great way to build wealth. Of course, there are always risks involved in any new venture. But if you're smart about it and choose a business that you're passionate about, the rewards can be significant. You can make a good income, but you also have the potential to build equity in your business. Over time, this can lead to substantial wealth creation. There are many benefits to starting your own business. One of the most appealing is the potential to earn while you sleep. With a traditional job, you exchange your time for money. But with a business, you can generate income even when you're not working. This passive income can provide a significant financial boost, especially if you reinvest it back into your business. Third, save 20% of your income. Saving money can be difficult, but it's essential to start building a nest egg as early as possible. One way to make saving more manageable is to set aside a fixed percentage of your income each month. For example, you could commit to saving 20% of your earnings. This might seem like a lot, but you'd likely barely miss the money if you automated your savings plan. And over time, those savings would add up. There are several advantages to saving a fixed percentage of your income. First, it allows you to save consistently, regardless of fluctuations in your income. Second, it forces you to live on less than you earn, which can help you stay out of debt. Finally, it gives you a goal to aim for, a way to measure your progress and stay motivated. No matter how money you make, you can always benefit from saving a portion of it. When you save 20% of your income, you're not only building your wealth, but you're also setting yourself up for success later on. This is because you'll have the money available to invest. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Fourth, invest. There are many different ways to invest your money, but some of the most popular methods include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each method has its own set of risks and rewards, so it's essential to do your research before making any decisions. For example, stocks tend to be more volatile than bonds, but they also offer the potential for higher returns. Real estate can be a more stable investment, but it also requires an enormous upfront investment. Ultimately, the best way to invest depends on your individual goals and risk tolerance. When you invest your money, you're essentially giving yourself a foundation to be wealthy. By investing, you can earn more money while you sleep, which can then be used to reinvest and grow your wealth even more. A vital part of the investment is diversification, not putting all of your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps mitigate risk and increase the chances that you'll be successful in your assets. This diversification can be in terms of the types of investments you make and geographically. For example, someone who only invests in penny stocks is taking on more risk than someone who invests in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Someone who only supports their home country is also taking on more risk than someone who invests globally. But no matter what method you choose, remember that investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. Finally, build multiple streams of passive income. In these harsh economic times, it's more important than ever to have multiple passive income streams. If one stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. And you can sleep peacefully at night knowing that you're still earning money even while you're asleep. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for those looking to build multiple passive income streams. You could buy rental properties and collect rent from tenants, or you could invest in dividend-paying stocks or bonds, or you could create a niche website and sell advertising space. Whatever route you choose, the important thing is to diversify your investments to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. If one stream of income dries up, you've got others to fall back on. So don't wait any longer. Start building those passive income streams today. You'll be glad you did when you can sleep peacefully at night, knowing that your money-making machine is still working even while you're asleep. Just because you have the money doesn't mean you have to spend every cent. You have to create your passive income. Money doesn't grow on trees, but it can grow in your bank account if you're smart about your finances. Feel free to use these strategies to help you build your wealth while you sleep. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.